Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the stacked bar chart in Power BI. So let's start. I've got this file here, and what I've done is I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I'll leave a link to this in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So I've got this visualization open, and I'll click on that and it gives me the stacked bar chart. I'll just put it into focus mode, and we choose the stacked bar chart when we want to show the whole as well as what's contributing to the whole. For example, if we've got sales data, as in this case, how our sales are trending year on year, but you're also curious about which geography is contributing to that year on year sale. But this works well if you do not have too many contributors. As the number of contributors become more, this visual becomes fairly cluttered and it's hard to decipher. So let's start and I'll show you what I mean. So first thing I want is the sales amount. So I'll just select that, and then I'll put the year ID onto the axis, and you can see it's showing me by year what the sales amounts are. And now let's say I'll just select the territory and put it into legend. And you can see all of a sudden that it's got APAC, EMEA, Japan, and not applicable. So it's very visible, and you can understand that EMEA is contributing a significant amount, and then followed by APAC, and then we've got Japan. Yeah, there are some bad data or something which is put on not applicable. So I'll take the territory out, and now I'll go and say maybe country. So I'll drag country here, and you can see as the number of countries has gone up, it's more than the region, so it's slightly more cluttered, but it's still giving us fairly reasonable information. Like US is the biggest contributor, and then Finland, Australia, and so on and so forth. So we'll take this out, and now let's see if I've got state. So I'm going to drag state in, and so this is all blank, so this we'll just take this out. Let's just see if we've got city and see how city impacts this. And all of a sudden you can see that, okay, there is some Madrid has contributed a bit, San Rafael, but it's just too convoluted to use this visual. So we use this visual when we want to see the whole as well as parts of the whole, but only if we've got maybe 4 or 5 parts, and the moment it becomes more parts, it becomes confusing. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.